If you're anything like me, it's the minor things when you get into a car that'll drive you insane. And there's a few of those on Risky Business, our 1985 Porsche 928S. So let me take you through those minor things, but they'll go a long way for the comfort in the car. So this is the package that came yesterday from 928S. This first one is the odometer gear. It's a plastic part that commonly breaks, and ours has not worked since I got the car. Only put a couple hundred miles on the car. I don't know how long it's been broken, but when we go to do the recover the dash pod in the coming weeks, I wanted to have this part here as we'll tackle that project. I've seen a couple videos, and we're going to tackle that rather than take it to a repair shop. Next on the list were these knobs. They're two knobs, and this is what holds the toolkit that goes along the taillight panel on the inside of the rear hatch. So one of the problems with this car was all of the trunk trim was gone, and that included the rear carpet, mat, and the rear toolkit, which is integrated into the back panel. When I was looking for parts about a year ago on eBay, I actually found a toolkit that was the correct brown carpet. So I picked that up, but then it did not come with the knobs. Next were this is probably one of the most annoying things if you own a Porsche, are the seat latches in this vintage of Porsche. They were used on all of the common seats. And in fact, I think this is such a common part that I have the same style in my Boxster. It's a $5 part. This is one of those things that'll drive you insane. The car has 4 broken latches like this, and you try to go to use them, and they just flip out or come right out of the holster. They're $4.50 each, and I just remembered I wanted to order them and not have to deal with broken latches anymore. Finally, I'm very excited about this part. This is an automatic shift knob repair. The automatic shift knob on the Porsche 928 is a $400 part, and the collar that holds the shift knob on the shifter gets brittle. And in fact, mine has already gotten brittle. But I came across a Dutch company that was making this. I went to their website, and unfortunately the website was in Dutch and couldn't translate it. And lo and behold, when I was looking for other parts on 928S, Roger had already put the part in stock, and I scooped it up. All right, so the first order of business. Here you see my shift knob, and it's just broken, brittle on the one side. Comes off. It's just a pain right now because it's so loose like that. I plan to use some JB Weld to fix the other side of that. But for now, I just wanted to put this in, and I'll be gentle with the collar, because then once I JB Weld the shifter knob itself, that combined with the support collar will make nice repair. So you can see this fits on, and here I am. There's 2 screws that go on either side, just like the factory part. Roger's charging $29 for this, so it's what a great repair. Certainly better than the $400. So it's just a simple matter of screwing it in. And keep in mind, one of the things we're going to be recovering is the console as part of the dash and the pod. So I just wanted to put this in now so that it's a good repair. And then when we're reconditioning the center console as well, we'll fix the inner shift knob. Now I just sped up trying to put the boot around the shifter knob, because it did give me some fits, as it's still a quite tight fit. It's in great shape for what's likely an original part. So there it is, finally put in place. Voila. and much factory feel. You don't know the collar is there, and looks great. So I'm very pleased with that. $30 well spent. So here's a good shot of the seat knobs. Typically what you find on a lot of older Porsches. And this one, a prior owner tried to put electrical tape on it, but it's a lame attempt at that, especially when this new one is $4.50. So you can see this injection molded piece simply fits onto the metal latch in there. All right, moving on to the hatch area. These two bags are the aforementioned. So there's this tool kit. And this is the carpeted side, and they're on the back side. I don't have any tools. I'll have to source those at some point. But for now, I just wanted to finish off the trunk, and these knobs simply fit in. It's a press fit. So here I am putting the panel in with the knobs in place. They're hard to see, but there's two clips, metal clips that fit tucks into. And now it's just a matter of twisting those into the holder. And move the new carpet back, and we're in business. So there's just a quick update on some minor things I wanted to put in that, well, they're minor, but they're huge in terms of enjoying the car once it's back on the road. As I'm making this video, I don't have an update on the delivery of the engine mounts. However, with all the things I've done earlier this week, I plan to move forward in the next day or so on removing the cross member and finally getting to the oil pan. I have the confidence now that I've got suitable support for the engine that I can remove the pan and the cross member and get the pan done. Might be a day or two before I get the next video, get back to work on the car. So if you're like me, I'm glad 2021 is well behind us and looking forward to a prosperous 2022. Have a happy new year. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and we'll see you soon.